Good morning. I'm embarrassed to admit that it's already 2:32 and I just woke up like half hour ago and I showered and I'm ready for the day, baby. We're just gonna explore Eastwood. Well, I'm still waiting for Mary to wake up. So hurry up, Mary. Come on, let's wake up. So I woke up at 7 or 6:30, played some Rubik's Cube, almost had it again, read some Girl Boss, and then I went back to bed. And then I think Mary woke up too, and then she went back to bed. But I feel like the reason why I really just like let myself sleep in was because yesterday was actually an earthquake, y'all. We experienced our first earthquake ever. Kind of scary, but kind of underwhelming at the same time, which I'm grateful for, because I don't want, you know. After we felt like a shaking and everything. Oh, I missed a call from Mommy Sue. After we felt the shaking, we tried to get Wi-Fi to work, but it wasn't working for a bit, like half an hour. I felt sleepy by the time that it started working again, but then Mary was able to look online and see that there was in fact an earthquake in the, where was it? Somewhere up north in Luzon maybe. And then I guess we felt the seismic waves, and man, it was weird. It was like being on an airplane almost, but you wouldn't expect it being inside a building. So yeah, our first earthquake. I hope nobody was hurt. I don't think it was that big, 5.3. I'm just waiting for Mary, and then we're gonna explore Eastwood today. I'm super hungry. So let's go. Take you on for the ride. Day one on our own. We're already poorly. Who's up all morning? I told you why. I found comfort in my sleep after last night's events. Anyway, Mary's whole outfit is thrifted. Are you gonna take a picture for Thrift is the Life?
A chance it. It's pouring out, y'all. So I'm gonna take you away.
I think Eastwood, like that's the mall literally right there. Yeah, it's just right there. Okay, let's go. Hold on. Okay, y'all, this is where we were last time we came here. It is raining very, very hard. I think we need to get another umbrella. This one is not enough. Look how many buildings are in this area. This is just like on this side too. Go up. There's so many buildings. Can you imagine all of these buildings shaking yesterday? My God.
Did you say it was actual earthquake yesterday?
Yeah, because we looked online and what? Oh my gosh. Okay, let's look for our cupcake place.
I think we're getting close because I recognize this from last year.
Yeah, y'all.
2 years ago.
Yeah. We're here now. This is where we ate before. And then right across you could see Vanilla Cupcakery.
Except it's not Vanilla Cupcake anymore.
Huh? It closed down? First it was Rita's. Now it's this. Oh my gosh.
Whoa.
Okay, let's go.
Here, Boston Borders.
This is one of the places we passed by yesterday that we wanted to come to. So we're just gonna get a drink and such. Okay, so here's our orders. We got a couple of waters. Enjoy. Oh my gosh, the strap just fell in my smoothie. Anyway, it's our dad's birthday today, by the way. Happy birthday, Papa Jaw. We're gonna have dinner tonight for you. Right, Ate? We're gonna go out to dinner. On the street. Wow, thanks, Papa Jaw. So Ada got this raspberry ginger iced tea. How do you like it? It kind of tastes like syrupy to me. Do you think? Right? A bit too sweet for me. It's kind of too sweet, less fresher than I'd like it to taste. Anyway, but I got a raspberry a citrus berry smoothie. I thought it was an iced tea, but it's a smoothie. So, and it's really tasty. Now we're looking for a place to have Papa Joff's birthday dinner. Okay. Mary wants to take an outfit of the day picture. This is a good background, hey? Looks nice. Just right here. Oh yeah. Maybe climb up those steps actually. Let's take it, y'all. Okay, so we're at Green Pastures. I know. Why did you pick this place here?
Because it seemed like they had vegetables.
Overpriced vegetables. Okay, having a B-Day dinner for Papa Joff at Green Pastures. I just wanted vegetables, that's why we came here. So, yeah, let's eat, y'all. And now we're switching, haha. So I think they use like local ingredients here, and that's why it's kind of pricey, organic and local. Okay, sorry, he just snuck up on us while I was excuse me. I think that's why it was kind of pricey here. So we're gonna be eating just bread and piatos for the next couple days here. It was really good, y'all. Very satisfied. Support local, you know? Even though this is a franchise, is it still local? It's a franchise. I don't know, whatever. Happy birthday, Papa Joff. Thank you. Look, this dessert is tibak. This is how they serve the bill. They were just like, what's trendy? A mason jar? Let's just pop it in there. Amazing. What's up, y'all? So we're back from our day out in Eastwood. We just went grocery shopping.
Excuse our appearance, because it's super rainy and hot outside.
This lighting is atrocious as well. So we got some snacky snacks at the grocery store. So we're just gonna do a little taste test. Let's get started. Okay, the first one is this kettle corn whole grain glazed popcorn. So let's see how it tastes, shall we? I guess it's just like kettle corn. Yeah, it's tasty. It just tastes like kettle corn. Amazing. But it kind of tastes like more sweet and saltier than the one in Canada. Okay, so this next one, more sweet. This one was like all over the supermarket. So maybe it's really popular. Jack and Jill.
No, they're just promoting it.
Oh, okay. So maybe it sucks then. Jack and Jill Calbee honey butter potato chips is truly a delightful surprise. Let the unique pairing of sweet honey and creamy butter on thinly sliced crunchy potatoes tickle your taste buds.
Thinly sliced.
This will surely become your new favorite snack. Amazing. Let's try it. Oh. It smells like butter, that's for sure.
It smells like Filipino butter. Tastes like butter.
You like it? That's weird.
I think this is the first time I've had a sweet chip. I don't think I dig it. Chips should be savory.
I don't think I dig it. It's weird. I think I like it, but it's just weird.
It tastes like bizcocho, which is like a toasted bread,
But like
that's
on a
popular
French fry.
here. With butter and sugar on it.
I think you like it, girl. Don't faint. Okay, the next one is tempura shrimp flavored snack. So I think it's just like, you know when you go to those Chinese restaurants? Shrimp chips. Those ones. So let's try this, baby. These are my fave, honestly. Oh, it's like tiny. Amazing. Amazing, that's it.
I like that one.
Oh my god, it tastes fishy. Oh my god. Oh, I hate that. I'm just kidding. So this last one is one is one of the things that we got in Cebu, butterscotch. So just these little butterscotch squares. So here you go, Mare. Have we had these before?
Like a different kind.
Our Filipino co-worker brought us some before.
Because I guess she's from Iloilo, and I guess that's her specialty.
Smells like a golden brownie. I think the one she brought was better.
Yeah.
These are good though. Tastes more peanut buttery than butterscotchy. Okay, see y'all. Thanks for watching this taste test.
Horrid lighting, but we're going in the pool now. There's no one here. Oh, it's cold. It's raining too. Is that better? No, not really. Okay, let's go in. Where's Mary? It's so cold. This isn't deep, so if I drop it, it's not a big deal. This reminds me of Romeo and Juliet, the pool scene at night. Look how far off it goes. Okay, we're here, Destiny Turtle. Wish you were here. Kyrie, Lovey, Hulai, everyone. We're just two right now. I'm sorry. But tomorrow we're gonna see some family. So we're gonna close the vlog here, y'all. Yep. Good night.
Good night.
See you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.